Whisk. A tool used to beat eggs or cream. He whisked the eggs for the omelette. Bowl. A round deep dish used for soup or salad. He had cereal in a bowl. Colander. A bowl-shaped strainer for rinsing food. She washed vegetables in a colander. Cup. A small container for drinking liquids. She drank tea from a cup. Cutting board. A board used to cut food on. She chopped onions on the cutting board. Fork. A utensil with prongs used for eating. She ate salad with a fork. Glass. A transparent container for drinks. He poured juice into a glass. Grater. A tool with sharp holes to shred food. She grated cheese with a grater. Kettle. A container for boiling water. She boiled water in the kettle. Knife. A tool with a sharp blade used for cutting. He used a knife to slice the bread. Ladle. A large spoon for serving soup. He served soup with a ladle. Measuring cup. A cup marked for measuring liquids. He measured milk with a measuring cup. Measuring spoon. Small spoons for measuring ingredients. She added sugar using a measuring spoon. Oven mitt. A padded glove to protect from heat. She wore an oven mitt to remove the tray. Pan. A shallow cooking vessel for frying. She cooked eggs in a pan. Peeler. A tool for removing skin from vegetables. He peeled potatoes with a peeler. Plate. A flat dish used for serving food. She placed the cake on a plate. Pot. A deep cooking container used on a stove. He boiled pasta in a pot. Rolling pin. A tool to flatten dough. She rolled the dough with a rolling pin. Spatula. A flat tool for flipping or spreading. She flipped pancakes with a spatula. Spoon. A utensil with a round bowl used for eating or serving. He stirred his coffee with a spoon. Strainer. A tool used to separate liquid from food. He drained pasta with a strainer. Teapot. A container for brewing and serving tea. He poured tea from the teapot. Tongs. A tool for picking up hot food. She used tongs to turn the meat. Tray. A flat surface used to carry food or drinks. He served snacks on a tray.